episode of 3-Minute Videos with Nathaniel. Today we now solve question 1F of MAT Oxford 2011. Excuse me, this video will go by pretty quickly because I'm in a mad rush. And the question asks, using the trapezium rule, you know what is the trapezium rule? So say you have this, and then you have this curve right here. Trapezium rule is basically approximating the curve with trapezia of equal length. So that means these trapezia of equal length are actually called strips. And what is the exact area? No, actually find the when it is split into a number of strips, how many strips will produce that exact area? Now you might think this might be a non-linear integration problem where I have to do lots of workings, but since all these options are actually all straight lines, we can solve it in a matter of seconds. Basically, it reduces to what's the lowest common multiple? 2, 3, and 4. It's 12. Eh? Simple, isn't it? Just for fun, let's now calculate the area under the curve. So, we now calculate its half. Now we need to find the area of the trapezia. Now, trapezia is like an archaic plural. 1/4 plus 1/1 over 1/3. Wait, actually, it's times 1/3/2. And then you add 1/6 times 1/4. And then add 1/4 times 1/4 plus half over 2 plus half plus 1/1/1 times 1/4. Interesting, right? So now we'll calculate. So it's 5/4 times 1/3/2 plus 1/24 plus 1/4 plus 3/8 plus half times 1/1 is 3/2/1, so it's just times 1/4 equals 2. Then we have 5/24 plus 1/24 plus 3/48 plus 3/8. Now the quickest way to think about this is that since our brains are not well used to do fractions, we think of it as parts of 48. So 5/24 is 10 parts of 48 plus 2 parts plus 3 parts plus 18 parts. And then if you add them all up, you get 13 plus 20/48 equals to 33/48 equals this 11/16. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed it. And interesting fact about LCMs. The LCM of all 10 numbers from 1 to 10 is 2520. Well, I have noticed that in previous video I'll be seeing the code name thing a lot because code names are for numbers from 1 to 360. But I actually made a code name for larger numbers. So in this case, 2520, we spelled Kinsevoctine, Kins 5, Sev 7, Oct 8, I 9. So 5 times 7 times 8 times 9 equals to 2520. And then my code symbol for this is actually this. So there, interesting, right? I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.